Kit makes a great gift for women, teens, or someone special. Pore Cleaning French Pink Clay Peel-Off Mask. Boost your skincare routine with this smoothing peel-off mask. French Pink Clay helps remove impurities and detoxifies pores for a fresh, glowing complexion. Perfect for normal to combination skin. Oil-absorbing Canadian Hemp Seed Clay Mask. Boost your skincare routine with this mattifying clay mask. Canadian hemp seed absorbs excess oil and helps balance skin for a clean and radiant complexion. Perfect for normal to oily skin. Hydrating Indian Turmeric Gel Cream Mask. Boost your skincare routine with this moisture-rich gel cream mask. Indian turmeric helps balance, brighten and replenish skin, for a healthy glow. Perfect for normal to dry skin. Deep Cleansing Hawaiian Black Salt Peel-Off Mask. Boost your skincare routine with this detoxifying peel-off mask. Hawaiian Black Salt helps to gently exfoliate and rejuvenate skin for a luminous complexion. Perfect for all skin types. Top reviews from the United States. So silky smooth after. Love these masks. I've always liked a peel-off mask because I feel like it really clears out your pores. These Freeman masks do just that. Yes, they take some unwanted peach fuzz off too, but wow, my face feels so silky smooth when I'm done. Love these.